Sort dates by month and day, ignoring the year in Excel. Here is a list of employee birthdays, and each date includes a different birth year. If you sort these dates directly, Excel sorts them by the full date, including the year. For a birthday list, you usually want the date sorted by month and day, not by the birth year. In this video, I will show you 2 practical ways to do it. Method 1 uses a helper column to extract the month and day. First, insert a helper column next to your birthday data. In the first helper cell, enter the formula equals text D2 MMDD if D2 contains the birthday. This formula converts the date into a sortable month and day value. Press enter to return the month and day result. Then drag the formula down to apply it to the other rows. Now select your full data range, including the helper column. Go to the Data tab and click Sort. In the Sort dialog box, choose the helper column as the sort column. Keep other options and click OK. Click OK again. Now the birthdays are sorted by month and day, while the year is ignored. This method works, but it has some clear limitations. You need to add an extra helper column to the worksheet. You also need to enter the formula correctly. If you sort birthday lists often, this can feel repetitive and make the worksheet less clean. Method 2 uses Kutools for Excel to sort birthdays more directly. After downloading and installing Kutools for Excel, open the workbook and select your data range. Go to the Kutools Plus tab. Click Sort. And click Advanced Sort. If your table contains headers, check My Data has headers. Choose the birthday column that you want to sort by. In the Sort On option, choose Month to sort the birthdays by month. Set the order from smallest to largest. Click OK. The birthdays are now sorted by month and day without using a helper column. With Kutools, the sorting rule is set directly in the dialog box instead of using a helper column. This also helps avoid formula mistakes and makes the process easier to repeat for other date lists. So if you only need to sort once, the helper column method can help. But if you want a cleaner, faster, and more direct way to sort birthdays, Kutools for Excel is the better choice.